guys, so this week's games challenge is going to be playing a version of badminton. So what you're going to do is you need to find like some spatulas or some rulers around the house, and you are going to create your own badminton rackets. Well, how do you do that? If you have a badminton racket, great. If not, find some cardboard. We're going to tape her on there. There's one badminton racket. Or a paper plate. Tape the spatula to that side. There's another one. So we're just going to simply take the tape. If you have like masking tape, it's probably better, but whatever you have laying around the house, tape is tape. So just tape it on there. We're going to show an example using both the paper plate racket and the cardboard racket. I'm choosing to use it so that the wider part of the spatula is underneath it, just to add a little bit more sturdiness, but simple enough so that when you go, now you have a racket, okay? Okay, so the next step is you have to create the net. Obviously your net's going to look a little bit different than it does in phys ed, but what I've taken is I've taken some streamer from birthday, and I've draped the streamer, I tied it to the bookshelf, and then I put it on a mini fridge with something on it to weight it. You could also take some string and tie it on, and then put some towels over it so that it looks more like a net. Or you can simply take 2 boxes and a broomstick. Just has to kind of look like this, just so you can divide between you and your opponent. Yeah. Okay, so now it's time for actually playing the game. You'll need a balloon or a ping pong ball and an opponent. Your opponent can be your brother, sister, or your parents. Doesn't really matter. This is the challenge for the week, is to just video yourself doing a little scrimmage game of today's activity. All right, so I'm gonna serve it over. This racket isn't very strong, it's already fallen apart once, but hey, it works. And I got a point on Johannes because it hit the ground. So you just literally start having a game. If you're like some students in our class who have set up a badminton game in their garage, great. Let's see a video of you guys playing for this week's challenge. And that is your attempt at badminton this week. See you guys next week.